Have you ever wondered why some conversations just flow while others feel awkward or forced? What if I told you there's a simple reason and it's something you can master? Hey everyone, welcome back to English Lab, the place where we break down real conversations, explore powerful ideas, and help you become more confident in everyday speaking. Today's topic is one you don't want to miss. In this episode, we're diving into a real talk that reveals insights, tips, and even a few unexpected surprises that could change the way you speak and connect with others. So grab your headphones, settle in, and don't just watch, listen closely. This conversation might just shift your perspective. Let's get into it.
Tom, have you ever said something really wrong in another language? Like, super embarrassing?
Oh, yeah. I once tried to say I'm full in Spanish and accidentally said something very inappropriate.
No way! What happened?
They laughed a lot. Then they explained it. I was so red, but I never forgot the correct way after that.
That's the thing. I'm scared of making mistakes like that in English. What if people laugh or judge me?
Nita, honestly, mistakes are like your best teachers. You learn way more from messing up than from being perfect all the time.
But when I speak, I'm always thinking, what if I say it wrong?
That voice in your head, everyone's got it. But guess what? Most native speakers don't care if you mess up. They'll understand. And if they correct you, it's actually a good thing.
Really? So it's okay if I say, he go to school instead of he goes?
Totally okay. What matters is you're trying. And when someone helps you fix it, that mistake sticks in your brain way better than anything in a textbook.
That's true. I still remember the first time I said, I am boring instead of I am bored. My teacher laughed so hard.
Exactly. And I bet you never made that mistake again.
Never.
See? The mistake helped you grow. Every fluent English speaker made hundreds of mistakes before they got good. It's part of the process.
So you're saying I should want to make mistakes?
Kinda, yeah. Not on purpose, but when it happens, don't be afraid of it. Just think, cool, I just learned something.
Wow, that actually makes me feel better. Like I don't have to be perfect all the time.
You don't. Nobody is. Not even native speakers. I mess up English sometimes too.
Then I guess from now on, I'll speak more, even if I mess up. Maybe I'll even laugh about it.
Now that's the right attitude. Mistakes aren't failures. They're progress in disguise.
Making mistakes isn't something to fear. It's how we learn best. Every time you mess up, you're one step closer to fluency.
Speak English today. Even if you're not sure it's perfect, celebrate your mistakes. They're helping you grow.